Hey everyone, my name is Sarabjit and I'm a high conversion copywriter. Today I'll be discussing about that what is the difference between content writing and copywriting and why does it matter. My dear friend, there are a lot of people who have a confusion and they think that content writing and copywriting is same. Today I'm going to bring out the 7 differences between content writing and copywriting. So first of all, let us understand what is the purpose of content writing and copywriting. See, what is the purpose of content writing? Purpose of the content writing is to educate, inform and build trust with your audience, wherein the purpose of copywriting is one thing, that is to sell, to persuade and help your prospect to take some form of action. That may be a sign up, that may be opt-in, that may be booking the call, that may be something to persuade to take action. And what is the purpose of content? To educate, to inform, right? So that is the difference. So we need to be clear with the purpose, exactly what is the purpose, right? Second difference, if I talk about content writing, it is simple writing. But copywriting is not simple writing. Why it is not simple? I'll tell you why. See, you need to understand human psychology. You need to understand what is the thing that moves people into action. What are the emotional hot buttons? Why people buy and why people don't buy? What is the reason that people take action? What are the benefits we need to show? In content writing, simple, you need to inform. You have this points. But in copywriting, there has to be some structure that will persuade your audience to take some form of action. So that is copywriting. Next point, a content writer. Who is a content writer and who is copywriter? I'll tell you. There's a huge difference. And these are two different roles. Although it is a skill that can be helpful to each area of life, means that can be helpful to each other. That is called complementary skill. If you talk about content writing, content writer are writer, storyteller. But if you talk about copywriting, that person is not only writer and storyteller but also psychologist, strategist, and he or she has to understand the funnel, that how the funnel works. For example, you are writing a piece of Facebook ad, but for example, where this Facebook ad will go, at which landing page, after that what is going to happen, after that what are the email sequences going to go. So you need to understand the entire funnel, and you need to understand that who I am sending to, what are the audience type, and accordingly you need to send it. And that is how copywriting is different. And that is the reason copywriting is one of the highest paid skill, right? And copywriter, I'll tell you one more difference. If I talk about content writing, they are especially SEO focused, and copywriting is not SEO focused. They can be, but not especially. See, if you see a lot of blogs, articles, YouTube videos, what they do, they are designed so that they can come in search engine. So that what will happen? That will build authority, that will build trust for your audience. So that is what is the purpose of content marketing, to build a trust with your audience, build a authority. It is something that pre-selling. Copywriting is you are selling right now. You are helping your audience to take some form of action right now. Content writing is preparing your audience to take some form of action. It is persuasion, not persuasion right now, but maybe a persuasion, right? Fifth point is, if I talk about content marketing, its effectiveness can be measured in long term, whereas effectiveness can be measured in short term in copywriting. Why? For example, you have written a Facebook ad, you can measure the progress, that how many people are seeing it, how many people are clicking on it, how many people are taking action on it. You can see it, measure it right now. But in content marketing, for example, you have written a blog, you will not able to measure the result, that what is the effect of this particular blog on your purchasing. Although you can see that how many visitors came into your blog, how many people read your blog. So you need to understand the difference, the purpose of the difference. What is the purpose, right? You have sent out email to your email list. What will happen? You can understand that how many people open the mail, how many people click on the link which was their email, and how many people take action. What is the return of investment? You can measure it. That is what copywriting is all about. As David Ogilvy is a author of the book on advertising, he said it best long before he could have predicted the rise of blogs and digital space. Right now, he has been the era of 90-20, 90-30 at that point of time. When I write an advertisement, I don't want you to tell me what you find it creative. I want you to find it so interesting that you buy the product. It's not about creative job. It's about, because when you are advertising, money is on the line. So we need to understand one simple thing, that when you're advertising, so it's a very serious game. It's not about creative. Okay, that ad is very good. Alright? See, if I talk about content writer, they write various forms. It can be an article, blog post, newspaper, magazine, YouTube videos, script that is there, press release, white papers, email newsletter, ebooks, books, print magazine, podcast, television, even movie script. What is that? Content writer. Wherein, if I talk about copywriting, it can be a write copy. What you see ads, it may be online, offline. You see a lot of slogan, tagline of the company. Who writes those? Copywriters. Web-based content, email campaigns, specially designed to sell something. Television, radio, commercial, promotional, advertising script. You see, whenever you open your television, what does it come? Lot of advertisement. What are that? Who write those? Copywriters. VSLs, catalogs, billboards, postcards, sales letter, direct mail letter, jingle lyrics, social media. You see social media, Facebook ads. So these are the things that is specially designed to take some form of action. That is the role of copywriter, right? And 7 points. Content writer most of the time, not necessary, but charges per word. But wherein copywriter charges based on the value. For example, you have to write an article that is around 2000 words. They will be charging around 5,000. It depends how they are charging it. Okay, $1 per word. That much cent per word. So it depends that how the content writer charge. Wherein copywriting, it does not matter how many words you write, because what goes behind the word, that is important. Because you have to do a lot of research. You need to understand human psychology. You need to understand whom you are selling to. So depending on that, you charge. For example, you have written emails, and that email bring, for example, let's say $50,000 for your particular list. You have written sequence of email, for example, 10 emails, and that has brought a revenue of $50,000. Do you think your client will be happy paying you $5,000 for that? Of course. Because you are a silent rain maker. What you are? Silent rain maker. You are bringing what? You are in charge of revenue. You get paid based on results. That's the thing. So ultimately, see, content is like a karma. You have to give to get. What do I mean? For example, when you give, then you ask. When you give, and what happens? You build trust. So what happens when you're building a brand? I'm not saying building a brand is not bad. What I'm saying is, once the brand you build, you don't have to sell. You don't have to sell hard, because it automatically sell itself. That's the thing. Although copywriting will be required, but you don't have to do hard selling, right? So that is the benefit of building a brand. Content marketing will help you to build a brand, whereas copywriting will help you to sell your product or services right now. That's the difference, right? So my dear friends, how you like this video? Let me know in the comment box that what are the thoughts on your copywriting, because I am going to build this channel focused on only one thing, that is copywriting. I have not seen any channel on YouTube, especially from India, that people are from making, because people are there, they are making videos on digital marketing, this. But what is the fundamental thing? Technology will change, but psychology will remain same. Once you have mastered this particular skill, I'm telling you, you'll never have to look back. Technology, Facebook at today, something else will come tomorrow. But once you understand this particular skill, so let me know what all videos you want. Let me know in the comment box. How did you like about this video? Let me know in the comment box that as well. And I'll be making video and be uploading a video on Wednesday 7 p.m. every single week. So get ready to get a lot of value, because I'm going to bring a lot of content on this channel. And make sure what you do, subscribe the channel. And see, if you are a marketer or copywriter or a business owner who is tiny bit of interest in marketing, then you subscribe. Otherwise, you don't need to. Right? So I'll be seeing you next week on Wednesday 7 p.m. Till the time, keep writing and keep closing in print. Thank you so much.